Kene kade ke kubor keberan kam ban sngam kam tam ye ke kena Pule Postmatric.
Menteri rang ba jalam khalaya Conrad ke Sangma benen ke sengi tho diang ulapan benapai ba syabaro nang mata ke Pyllait no ya ke scholarship jong ka second installment ka ba nak mata ke Postmatric scholarship ya ke ba in Pyllait no syabaro ke kena Samla Pule hak art kundai trik menta upenai habaro ke we ke jela aba menteri rang ba upen benahi dala de ke ne kerai ulapan tip ba ke Pyllait ya ke ne ke Pisa syaki Samla Pule kan simpor lene hadu laisngi pakan rong syaka account jongki but kajing Pyllait ya kenek Pisa kan long kumbanyo pheo jarngut ke Samla Pule kapakan jo kumbashi spotlight pheo klor ha kajing kren ka bau ula Pyllait lingba ke Facebook menteri rang ba ula ong ba kumbang ala kular syapi ba mentau usnam ngan page bat ngan simkia ba ka baibam jong ka scholarship ngin Pyllait ha Shwa ka aiom Khristmas pan yo le kemen ya ka Khristmas shu Conrad Sangma ulaong ba ka jing Pyllait biang por yak Pisa kan ya rab ha ka dor jong ka scholarship kan ya rab ya ki kena Pule ha ki bynta ki beper ha ka jing don kam jong ki.
Hi friends, I just wanted to give you the good news. Tomorrow, 29th of November, I will be releasing the second installment of the Postmatric scholarship. After that, it will take 2 to maximum 3 working days for it to reflect in the student's account. But as promised to all of you, that this year I will take special care and ensure that your scholarship amount is released before Christmas. And hence, I'm doing that, and I'm sure that this will help our student community to a large and a great extent. I wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.